Check if all elements are true in sliding windows across a 2D array, Python. I have a multidimensional numpy array where the elements are either true or false values. Now I need to generate another array M, where the value at each side mi, j, depends on grid I plus 2, jj plus 2, as m. Is there some way to fill the array M using elements from grid without double loops?
Approach number 1. Here's one approach with 2D convolution. Sample run. Please note that the last row and last column from the expected output would be all zeros with the initialized output array. This is because of the sliding nature of the code, as it won't have that much of extent along the rows and columns. Approach number 2. Here's another with 2D uniform filter. Approach number 3. Here's another with 4D slided windowed view. With that all axis equals 2, 3, we are just checking along both the dimensions of every window for all elements to be all true elements. Runtime test.
Sonata.